All right, you've been asking for it for a long time. POV drive in the Fiesta ST. So the car is stage 1. It's set up for track. It's just got the cage. I'm on NS2Rs. It's a bit cold, but it should be fine. Stage 1, we're about 235 brake, and I think it's 360 torque-ish. The camera mount is here. It's my first trial, so hopefully it doesn't shake off completely. Hopefully it's a good angle. If you do enjoy, leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get a POV drive in the ST. Right, I don't know if it's the best camera angle, but it's my first try in this car. Give me a chance. Wait for the speed limit. most cars you're speeding and you're breaking laws. In this, you're doing 60 at the maximum. At the maximum. I don't actually think, I think we've hit 60 twice. I really think this car, obviously touch wood, I look after it, I give it all the services and everything, it gets a hard life. I do sometimes feel bad for this car. I don't even know if you can see, but we're now in stop-start traffic, so I'll probably call that the end. This is proof you can have fun in cars and not break the speed limit, not drive dangerously. Everyone wins. I don't know if this camera angle was any good. I can only apologise if it was bad. But if it was good, leave a like and subscribe. If it sounded good, leave a like and subscribe. If you hated it, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you again soon.